Hi everybody, this is a short overview of our active listings page. You can go to your active listings from the menu bar on the sidebar menu here, active listings, and here's what you're going to see. You're going to see all your active listings. You'll see the number of active listings and how many you're seeing at the moment. You can change the number of entries. Please notice that when you change it to 500, the page may load slower. Next thing you can see in this table is an option to edit. I will make a different video for it. Your eBay sell ID for the item. If you click here, you'll be able to get to your eBay item listings to the page. Next thing, you can go to the source ID. If I click here, it's also clickable. I'll go to Walmart, where this listing is monitored from. You'll be able to see the picture. When you hover over it, you'll see a bigger image. The quantity now in stock, this listing is out of stock, 0 in quantity. The sale price on eBay, the source price on the source site, whether it's Amazon, Banggood, Walmart, or AliExpress. How many units were sold, how many viewers, how many watchers for this listing, what is the estimated profit for this listing, what was the upload date, when was this listing uploaded, how many days are left. All the listings uploaded through us are uploaded in a duration of good till cancelled, meaning every 30 days they'll be automatically renewed. This shows you how many days are left before the renewal, and it's up to you to decide whether you will want to end the listing, let it renewed, or maybe relist it. Out of stock days, the number of days this listing has been out of stock will be counted here. This is accumulative, meaning from the day that this item was uploaded, how many days out of these number of days it's been out of stock. You'll see the number here and you'll be able to filter by it. The variation ID, what specific variation is being monitored. This at the moment applies to Banggood, AliExpress, and Walmart, not so much to Amazon, but once we will have our upload of variation feature in, then it will be also relevant to Amazon. Tag, you can tag each listing, give it any type of note that you want and tag it by, and then filter by it. I will show in a different video which suppliers it's from and what is the status. So for example, these 3 listings are out of stock. If I hover over the show reason, I will also see why. Okay, this listing is in stock. This is and from the active listings you can also bulk change. I'll make a video. Change titles in bulk. You can filter. You can customize the columns, and this I would like to show in this video. You can choose what you want to see here. For example, now as you can see, I don't see the title. If I'll click here, now the title has been added. I don't see the shop name. I'll click and here's the shop name. You can decide to take off the variation ID and maybe the tag and just customize it as you wish. And last thing important in this video is the sync with eBay button. This is something that our system is doing automatically. If every 48 hours our system is checking how many active listings you have on eBay and syncs them with the number of active listings in the monitor, so it will always be equal. When you want to force do that, you can click here, sync with eBay. You'll notice that the synchronization is started and this button will become unclickable and gray, and only in another 3 hours you'll be able to do it again. This is very recommended to do for those of you who delete items and listings directly from eBay, or if it happened that eBay has removed some of your listings, then you should come here and sync with eBay before you start working on your account. This is it for the active listings page. I will explain in other videos about bulk change, change titles, and filter. See you in the next video.